Hello friends, welcome to the Crypto Crazy channel. Today I am going to show how to use Unishop and Metamask in details. How these two interfaces can be used to buy new token. Those are not listed in your traditional wallet, or you can use these Uniswap and Metamask for any kind of token purchasing. What is Unishop? Unishop basically is a protocol that is basically leading decentralized crypto trading protocol. So this is on-chain liquidity protocol on the Ethereum blockchain that enables trustless token swaps, meaning all transactions are executed from smart contracts without the need for an intermediary or trusted party. So let's start how this Uniswap and Metamask works together. So in this video, I'm going to show how this Uniswap can be used for uh, buying different kind of tokens. Okay, so if you like this video, or if you think that this video can be uh, help for your crypto transactions or crypto trade, so please like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. So let's get started. So first you have to go Uniswap website. So it's open, so you can just write your browser uh, Uniswap. Okay, then you have to open, like, you will see this window, and you have to uh, click this launch app, and you will see another new window will open. So here you can see that Ethereum and any kind of token can be purchased, but here you can change if you want any other tokens, but here I am selecting only Ethereum because I am going to show how that Ethereum and other token can be purchased using this Uniswap. uh, so first of all, you have to select Ethereum, and then you have to select the other coin which you would like to purchase. So here I am going to select, or I am going to write the Saitama which I am going to purchase. So here in drop down, okay, so you find that Saitama is there. So if you don't see any coin here, so you can directly go to the CoinGecko, and okay, CoinGecko, and then you can find your coin, basically for coins from these options, like recently added. So you can search any kind of coin here. So this is basically baby Saitama. You can write Saitama. Yeah, so this is, and you you can uh, copy this contract address. Okay, and you can just paste it. So let's try. Yeah, so if you paste it here, so you will find the Saitama coin, so any kind of token. So yeah, so now you have to connect the wallet. So connect the wallet means you have here, actually I am going to connect So if you connect, so you will see there are many wallets, different kind of wallets are there. So here I will show that how to connect with metamask. I am using metamask, so that's why I'm going to show here using the metamask. So you will see this kind of windows will appear, and you have to select this and then next. So connect. So it is basically connected with the with my connected means metamask wallet. So in my metamask wallet, I already have that 0.01615 ethereum, and I would like to buy Saitama. So don't confuse with this balance. This is already I do have this number of Saitama coins. So now I'm going to buy more to show you people that how uh, this basically Unishop can be used to buy Saitama. So let's start. So you have to click the maximum. So now you have to select here, and I basically prefer to put 5% slippage, so you can put it auto, or yeah, and you can write it 5%. Okay, and then you start the swap. Okay, so once you start the swap, so confirm it, and then it will connect with your metamask. Okay, so here you have to pay some gas fees, so you have to check that how much gas fees are required. Here gas fees is showing too high, so that is around 135 7 30 137.25. So I do not have that much balance, so that's why it is showing that insufficient funds. So here, from here you can edit it, and let's say you put it high, and you can use your own gas limit. Okay, so let's say I'm putting, so now this is showing that 16.36 dollar, so which is basically 0.004721 ethereum. So let it save it, and then the total ethereum, it is showing that 0.009482 ethereum, and I have already 0.0016, I think. So let's try confirm it. So fails, so that means my ethereum, uh, whatever ethereum is available, that cannot be used here. So let's connect again. Okay, and then confirm swap, and edit the gas fees. So you can put like these, and let's say medium. Okay, so let's confirm it. So it is waiting for confirmation. Let's see what is happening. Anyway, something is going on here. So by this way you can just, you will see yeah, so now it's confirming, so you can see that's a one pending. So after some, after it will take little bit time. So after sometimes you can see couple of couple of minutes, you will see that my balance will appear here. so you can just close it. Okay, so Metamask is really very helpful for, so this is showing that the transaction is failed. uh, Other for Saitama View Explorer, what is showing, let's see. So it is showing failed. Somehow it is warning error encountered during contract execution out of gas. So it sometimes happen, like gas fees frequently change. So yeah, so now I have to probably add, I have to pay a little more gas fees, so that probably the transaction could be successful. So by this way, guys, can the Saitama or any kind of coin you can purchase from this using this Uniswap and Metamask interface. So guys, uh, now you can okay, so now if you like this video, so you can, if you think that this video is useful or helpful for your crypto trades or cryptocurrency buy, so that you can like this video, comments, and please subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.